lay some concrete when there's overlap. Keep from them persistent diggers. They like to dig it and try to get in and eat our meat. Everybody wants to eat chicken. Chicken is the meat. And this ain't normal chicken. This is organically fed chicken. The best kind of chicken there is. It don't get no better. We're going to put this same design facing right there. And this is going to be a run, a walk-in run for servicing. This have a door. Yep. And that's where we at. I'll give y'all an update when we get done today.